Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today we have an iPhone XR with a cracked screen and also the LCD is damaged. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 15 minutes and 43 seconds and we have a brand new iPhone XR and everything works great. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, our website, and YouTube. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And I just want to thank all of our customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos. And until next time, I'll see you soon. Thanks again.